Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here we have another model from OPPO, and this is the OPPO Find X7 the basic edition. And also we can find OPPO this time they worked with Hotplate to provide this basic edition smartphone from OPPO. And this time, and then down here we get 60GB RAM plus 1TB ROM edition, and the color I think is blue. It's called Ocean and Blue and Sky edition. So next, let's check what's inside the books, and we will have a very simple unboxing video about this model from OPPO. Dang! Let's open it. Whoa! So after we open the cover, here is a smile forward, another box. Let's check what's inside this box. Yes. Then down here, inside plastic, soft plastic bag, get a bit soft plastic, not transparent case. I think it's much better than the normal transparent one, and the hard plastic as well is between soft and hard, and I like it. It's good. And also here is the membership gift card, quick start, and also the SIM card pen, SIM card eject. So this is all stuff inside the box. Let's put it aside, and then okay, here is a smartphone, OPPO Find X7. So before we check the smartphone, yes, we check the accessories first. Here, so the accessories of here we get okay, it's a 500-watt fast charger, Type C to USB cable. I think it's here. So it's a cable. It's a charger. Okay. Yes, Type C to USB cable. Okay, nothing special inside that. About accessories. Okay, let's put aside here, and then go to the highlight. OPPO Find X7. So sorry, X7, yes, basic edition. Get it out from the soft plastic bag, and whoa, now the smartphone is in front of us. So this is, I think this is, I know why it called the ocean and the sky, because here is the ocean, the blue, kind of blue color. Here's white glass, just like the sky. And I really like this kind of combination design. And this kind of color, contrast color matching is really nice. First time I saw it, and camera, this one is very attractive as well. It looks high-end. Claude Paris circle, and 1, 2, 3 triple camera system, and it has a blade logo here, and it's I don't know why here. I think it's the LED flashlight, and here also a LED flashlight. Pretty nice. And here's a menu button, power button, value button. Here is also a customized button. Silence, ring mode, vibration mode, silence mode. So compared to the another flagship model from OPPO, the OPPO Find X7 Ultra, I think this side key is different. Let me compare it. So yes, I'm back, and here we have the OPPO Find X7 Ultra, And so if we go to the front and unlock it, both of them use the cover screen, but for the customized button here, I think it functions different. For this, silent, VIP mode, silence, remote, ring, vibration, silence. So this is different. Yes, very nice. And also we can compare the cameras on here. This is the periscope camera, but it's just a normal LED light. It's different. These two devices, and also here there's a stitching lights here. It looks more high-end. Personally, I like it. More simple, more easy, and this looks more business and luxury, more high-end. And besides the camera and also the features, special features about the button, I think the screen is also different between these two devices. And we can go to the front of this device. And for this phone, it's get a 6.78-inch screen, but for the Ultra 6.82, a bit bigger, and the display resolution 7780 by 1264, and also the Ultra is 3168 1440, and also a bit higher. But both of them support the Dolby Vision and TPO 3.0, and also we go to the settings to check about the processor. So it's used my MTK Dimensity 9300, but for this one use the Ultra one use the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, and also the battery 5000 same and 100 watt capable fast charging, but no wireless charging. For this device 15 watt wireless charging, so this is also higher. And also if compare the weight on my hand, I can feel the Ultra edition is a bit heavy. I think around 20 grams heavy than the normal one. And also the thickness, check from this angle, it's a bit thick for the Ultra edition here. And the main difference I think comes from here. Just for the H7 8.7 millimeters, for the Ultra 9.5. So this is the comparison about the appearance. And also besides this, as I mentioned, the camera this time it seems different. No dual periscope camera on the basic edition. Just a triple camera system. So for the triple camera system, it's get a 50 megapixel and 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel wide angle megapixel, and 64 megapixel periscope long lens, long focus. And for the front one, it supports 32 megapixel. This is for the front, same like the Ultra, but for the real camera system, the main camera this one is OV, the Ultra is a Sony YT900, but this one is YT. Sorry, it's also Sony YT808, and for the wide angle, Sony Ultra, Sony LYT600. But so this one is used the Samsung Gen1, and for the periscope, this one OV64B, and for the Ultra, Sony IMX890. So this is the difference about the camera. Also, there's the settings to check the difference here about the device. Wait a moment. Here. Same, but the periscope front same, but periscope is different. Yeah, so we also have a very quick, simple camera test about this model, and I'll put more pictures at the end of the video. Now I got a red box here, and yes, simple test. Normal, right angle, wide angle, normal, 2 times, 3 times, 6, details. Okay, compare it. Sorry, wait a moment. Can find difference. Much better. Long lens. Much better. 70 mm, 159, 39 mm, 275 mm, 12f7, 23, 15 mm. You can also check the performance about the Ultra here. One 35, 20, 72, 47, 14. Yes, it's very quick comparison. I will put sample pictures at the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.